How to remove friends from Snapchat fast. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove friends from Snapchat very quickly, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you'd like to remove your friends from Snapchat, all you have to do is simply launch the Snapchat app first. Then you want to just tap the little profile icon from the top left hand side, which is a Bitmoji profile. Then once you're on this page here, you'll find a section where it says my friends. Now the problem here is that if I want to remove a specific friend, I just need to select them here, tap on manage friendship, and the hassle is just go to remove friend. I cannot just multiple select it and then just go ahead and do that, right? Well, unfortunately there is no other way than this, because Snapchat currently has not yet implemented a feature where we can multiple tap on people, and then when we tap on them they're going to be removed by just tapping one simple trash icon or the unfriend button. That's not how it works. Not even on Facebook, not even on Instagram, not even on TikTok, and not even on Snapchat. That's not how it works. They do it just to avoid spam. So hope this video cleared the confusion. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.